Hey, so just a couple of quick tips. First off is definitely use these disposable plastic liners. It makes it really easy for cleanup. The second thing is when you're using a roller, just kind of just get your hand a little bit wet and just kind of rub around the roller a couple times just to get it a little bit moist so it doesn't suck all the moisture out of the paint. I've seen other people, dunk it in there and then squeeze it out, but it gets too runny that way. But this way, you get a little bit of moisture, and it doesn't get really watery, and it just have this runs all over wherever you're painting. So that's definitely a tip I would recommend. Okay, so a couple more tips regarding painting. One is that they sell a lot of siphons, or sometimes you jerry rig using a paper cup to get the paint out from the bucket into your tray. What I've found that's the easiest way to do it, and with the less cleanup, is you actually just I'm not gonna really pour it because I finished painting, but you just pour it directly from the bucket, and tilt it in, and then while you still have it tilted, and then you use a paintbrush to just sort of get the paint out of that groove on the very edge of it. Okay, and just clean that out. And then a lot of times there's going to be some drips on the side, so you have to kind of get the brush off the sides as well, and then just tap it back in the tray. And that really eliminates a lot of the cleanup, and I found that's the easiest way to do it. And of course, there's going to be a little bit of running still left over, so have your paint bucket on a newspaper or a plastic sheet. And then one last thing is that if you need to take a break from painting, like you need to go have lunch or something, what I found is that I use a lot of water base, and so what I found is if you use some of the painter plastic or any kind of plastic and just cover it up loosely like that, you can usually leave it for an hour or even several hours, and once you take it off again, the paint will still be wet and ready to go after your break. And that's it on the painting tips. Thanks for watching.